Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, so ADA has come as expected once more in the target area. If you remember, we talked about rising prices and a bullish scenario from the point on when we broke above 46 cents. We then reached the first target area, we came down in an A, we reached the second target area, we reached this target area, which was a bullish from which we had the possibility for a bullish breakout, and we made 10%. Yeah, however, could not break above this level at 53.7 cents on a substantial basis. So basically, we got rejected here at the wave A high level. In the end, that was just a wave B, and we are coming down once more into the target area. So we just need to communicate these target areas. They show the larger moves. How such a move within unfolds is extremely difficult to forecast. So in this case, it would have made sense to just get into this and that was it. But as you can see, we made this longer move and now finally come into this area, but for the second time. So we came here to the target area and we're now in it again. This is an A, B, C correction, a wave 2. After we made a wave 1 to the upside here. So we're currently in the area and we are now on the lookout if wave C could be complete. I sketched out for you the chart yesterday here before these moves happened, and so far I think that was pretty accurate. Yeah, so you can see that within the wave C, so within the wave C, we had 5 waves here in yellow, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with an extended third wave. And we now need to be on the lookout for rising prices. Yeah, because first of all, we reached the target area. That target area is based on the ideal retracement levels of the wave 2. So basically between 45.7, 45.8 and 47.5 cents. Between the 61.8% FIB level and the 50% FIB level. Now, it could very well be two possibilities here, that we reach, for example, the 78.6% FIB level. That is in a wave 2 absolutely possible, 43.4 cents, and even then we could remain focused on the upside, and even a move down to 41.9 could still then unfold as a wave 3 next to the upside. However, a drop below 41.9 cents would, in my opinion, would make the bearish scenario much more likely, where we will drop once more below 40.3 cents as well. It's just that this 88.7% FIB level is a very important level, and if you drop below that, it's just very unlikely that this is still a wave 2. However, what I have to tell you as well, already below 45 cents, the impulsive scenario will get less likely. Reason? Look at the chart. Take a look how this is divided basically into two halves. You've got all this price action below, the bearish price action below this descending trend line. We've then broken above it. I think we're now coming down and possibly will even retest this level at 45 cents. But if we go below it substantially, this will not be very bullish. Now, ideally, I mean, a retest would be bullish, and going up from here in a wave 3 to 69 cents, that's still sort of the target for a third wave. That is how it needs to unfold in a bullish scenario. Now, I'm not telling you this is definitely going to happen, because nothing is guaranteed in these markets, but this is a high probability move, in my opinion, in this scenario, of course. Now, it could also be that we are still in a bearish scenario, then we would have to readjust this entire wave count. This is something we can't really see at the moment, but it would be much more, this bearish scenario would become much more likely below 41.9 cents, the 88.7% FIB level. As long as, first of all, we stay above this descending trend line, we can focus on higher prices. And even if we go below that, just need to be a bit careful, but below 41.9 cents, I don't think this bullish scenario is going to work out. But this is how TA works. This is how trading works. As long as you are above certain levels, you can be remaining focused on the upside. as soon as you break below certain levels, or the other way around, yeah, depending on if you go long or short, you you have to be focusing on lower. That's just, you know, what happens if. That is always the question that you need to ask you, and that's always what I try to communicate here with giving you different scenarios and a longer outlook into the future as well. But for now, it's been spot on. For now, we have reached this area. And again, what could be an ideal level where we now find support? So anywhere, like, really in this area now, we could look for rising prices. One more specific target would be the equality projection from between wave A and C. That was reached. Okay, 46.5 cents. So from here, now we're not looking for buyers. Best indication that this wave 2 is finished is a 5-wave move on a similar time frame like this one, wave degree, yeah, so to the upside. We see 5 waves now on the lower time frame to the upside would be a good indication wave C is finished, because a 5-wave move to the upside would now indicate an impulse and maybe a beginning of a new wave to the upside, a new impulse to the upside. Currently, obviously, I can't see that yet. Good indication, in my opinion, would also be to support that, a breakout above this descending trend line. Alright, so that's currently here my view. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.